Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install Android apps on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open up the browser you want and search for Scarlet. After searching, open the first site and scroll down a bit inside the site. After scrolling down, tap on Install, select Install, and Scarlet will get installed. After Scarlet is installed, open up the browser again and search for Fortnite IPA. You can search for any IP, but since Fortnite is not available on iOS, I'll download it. Just download the IPA from any website and open Scarlet. Now, go to the second tab and select Import icon at the top right corner. After that, select the IPA file and it will start installing the application. So that's basically how you can install Android apps on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.